Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar AJR. Some rhymes there. Anyway, this one is called 2085. Imagine that year. Far, far away from this, when we all are gray, perhaps, we'll see. Anyway, AJR 2085, nice song here. We're going clean here, no capo for this one, and we're gonna look at some chords here. So, starting with the A. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have B minor next. That's a bar chord, so you place the bar on the second fret. You don't bar the last string here, so just 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest is fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have F sharp minor, still a bar chord, still the second fret. This time you bar all strings. All right, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And speaking of D, that's the next chord. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we have also a G sharp chord. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 4th fret here, bar all strings, and then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. And the final chord is the C sharp minor. So that is a bar still on the 4th fret. You don't need to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so we're gonna start with the verse here and look at the strumming pattern here. We're gonna use a strumming that's divided into 2 different parts. Okay, so grab that A, that's the first chord. The first part is down, down only. So it's a space between the 2 downs like this. That's the part 1, and then part 2 will be down, up, down, up. And that's it. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, up. All right. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Right, so that's the feeling here, the rhythm. So the verse will be 1 strumming around per chord, and you will have the chord progression A, B minor, F sharp minor, and D. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So A, B minor, F sharp, and D. So that's the verse play. The pre-chorus now is where we're gonna use the different parts, and so we have D part 1, so it's just down, down, okay? And then B minor part 1, F sharp minor part 1, and E part 1, and then finally D 1 full round. So it will be chord switches here pretty fast, so down, 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 down. D. So D, B minor, F sharp, E, D. That part you play for 2 rounds, and then you have the ending here with B minor part 1 again, D part 1, and then A 1 full strumming around plus a pause afterwards that builds up for the chorus. So the D, B minor, F sharp, E, and D for 2 rounds, and then we have the B minor part 1, D part 1, and then A 1 full round plus this pause. And that builds up, like I said, for the chorus, and the chorus is played in the same way as the verse, so no changes there. A, B minor, F sharp, and D. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds like this, and then comes a bridge part that comes in about 3 minutes and 57 seconds into the song or so. And here we're gonna play the chords E to G sharp, to C sharp minor, and to A and A minor. And you're gonna play 4 downs per chord, okay? That is one string around. You're gonna play so E2, then G sharp, then C sharp minor, then A1 and A minor 1. And again, you play that for 4 rounds. So E2, G sharp 2, C sharp 2, A1 and A minor 1. Okay, and then after that comes another ending, so to speak, and we'll now play 6 downs per chord. And the chord progression will be E to the C sharp minor to A and A minor. And the strumming will be like this for E. So I try to emphasize the 4th down to play that a little bit more down here on the top higher notes, and all the other downs more on the bass notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next chord. And you play that till the very end. That pretty much summarizes AJR's 2085. So, hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know, and thank you for this time. Play tuned.